Can ChatGPT replace humans? In recent years, the concept of chatbots and natural language processing has become increasingly popular. People are now asking, can chatbots replace humans? As technology continues to advance, this is an important question to ask. ChatGPT can automate many tasks that have traditionally been done by humans, such as customer service inquiries and data entry. But what else can they do? In this video, we'll explore the capabilities of ChatGPT and discuss whether or not they can truly replace human staff. We will also look at some current examples of ChatGPT in action and consider the implications for businesses that choose to adopt them in place of their human workforces. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Now, let's start with it. What is ChatGPT? Chatbots are computer programs that can mimic human conversation. They are commonly used to automate customer service or sales tasks. Some chatbots are designed to simulate human intelligence and behavior, while others are more basic in their functionality. Chatbots have been around for many years, but they have become increasingly popular in recent years as companies look for ways to automate customer service and sales tasks. There are several different chatbot platforms available, including ChatFuel, Botsify, and SQL. Some chatbots are designed to replace human customer service representatives or salespeople. For example, a chatbot could be used to handle customer inquiries or support requests. Others are designed to help with specific tasks, such as booking a hotel room or ordering a pizza. There is no one-size-fits-all answer to the question of whether chatbots can replace humans. It depends on the specific task that the chatbot is being used for and the level of artificial intelligence (AI) that it has been programmed with. In some cases, such as simple customer service tasks, a chatbot may be able to do the job just as well as a human. In other cases, such as complex sales tasks, a human may be needed to provide the final decision or approval. How did it work? Chatbots are computer programs that can mimic human conversation. They are commonly used in online customer service to automate repetitive tasks and speed up response times. To generate text, GPT takes in a prompt or a piece of text that serves as a starting point, and then uses its understanding of language and the context of the prompt to generate a response. The response is generated one word at a time, with GPT choosing the most likely next word based on the words that came before it. GPT is pre-trained on a large dataset of human-generated text, such as books or articles, which allows it to understand the patterns and structure of language. It can then use this understanding to generate text that is similar in style and content to the text in the dataset. Overall, GPT works by using machine learning techniques to understand and generate human-like text based on a large dataset of human-generated text. ChatGPT is a chatbot that has been designed to replace human customer service representatives. It is powered by artificial intelligence and can learn from past conversations to improve its responses. To use ChatGPT, customers simply need to start a conversation with the chatbot on the company's website or app. The chatbot will then ask questions to gather information about the customer's issue. Once it has all the necessary information, it will generate a response and provide options for resolving the issue. If the customer is satisfied with the response, they can click on the Resolve button and be redirected to a web page with further instructions. If they are not satisfied, they can click on the Escalate button to be connected with a human representative. How ChatGPT changed the world in future? Chatbots are computer programs that can mimic human conversation. They are commonly used to automate customer service or sales tasks. Some chatbots are designed to help people find information or complete tasks. It is difficult to predict exactly how GPT and other natural language processing technologies will change the world in the future, as it depends on many factors, such as how the technology will be developed and adopted, and how it will be used. However, it is likely that GPT and similar technologies will continue to play an important role in a variety of industries and may lead to significant changes in how we work and communicate. GPT and other natural language processing technologies may be more widely used in areas such as translation, summarization, language generation, customer service, and virtual assistants, among others. Chatbots have the potential to change the world by providing a more efficient way to communicate and connect with people. They can also help businesses automate tasks and save time and money. Is it possible to ChatGPT to replace humans? Yes, chatbots can replace human beings in customer service or support roles. Many companies are already using chatbots for this purpose. There are several advantages to using chatbots instead of humans in these roles. First, chatbots can be available 24/7/365. They never get tired and can always provide a prompt response to customers. Second, chatbots can handle large volumes of inquiries simultaneously without getting overwhelmed. Third, chatbots can provide consistent answers to customers regardless of who is interacting with them. This is especially important in cases where different customer service reps might give conflicting information. Fourth, chatbots can help reduce operating costs since they don't require salaries, benefits, or other overhead costs associated with human employees. Can ChatGPT replace humans? Chatbots have been around for a while, but they are only now becoming more widespread and sophisticated. Can they replace human beings in customer service or other support roles? The short answer is no. Chatbots cannot replace humans. They are good at some things, but they cannot understand context and emotions, which are essential for providing good customer service. That said, chatbots can be used to supplement human workers in these roles. For example, chatbots can handle simple tasks like taking a customer's order or providing basic information about a product. This frees up human employees to handle more complex issues. Of course, there are also some disadvantages to using chatbots instead of humans. One is that they can sometimes give inaccurate answers if they haven't been properly programmed. Another is that they lack the empathy and personal touch that human beings can provide. However, these disadvantages are generally outweighed by the advantages, which is why many companies are increasingly using chatbots for customer service and support roles. In the end, chatbots are not going to replace humans anytime soon, but they can be a valuable addition to any customer service team. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.